So one of the biggest headache of business owners is how to find good business names for their businesses, their website, their brands, social media handles, and the rest. Now, with the present capabilities of AI, that should never really be an issue again, because in this video, I want to show you how to automatically generate a cute business name for your business, your website, your brand, your social media handle, or just whatever you want to use the name for. The good thing is that you're going to get it done in just a click and it's free. So if you're ready, let's head on to the computer and let me show you how to go about that. What you want to do right now is to head over to an AI tool called Gravity, right? I'll leave the free sign up link in the video description. I already have an account, so I will sign in. Now, once you are in here, you want to scroll down here and locate and click the idea generations tab, and it will bring these three marketing tools option, which you can always use for free. But here we are interested in business name registration. So I'll click that. Now, all you want to do here is just to describe the nature of your business in very simple statements. So for example, I will just go with real estate company here. Don't be too sophisticated with your description so that Gravity Write can easily understand your business very clearly. So I'll just click create content and then I'll wait a few seconds. Okay, so you see here, you can't really go wrong, right? Gravity Write has generously provided more than enough amazing business name suggestions for me, so I can just go ahead and pick any one of them that I love the most and then go ahead and use. But there is something you need to do before you start using this name. You need to be sure that this name is available for you, and you really want to go for a name that you can customize and then you can register anywhere. So let's assume that I love this new business name and I want to get it registered so that I will only have access to it and be a copyright owner. All I need to do is to simply pick out this name and run an availability check on it, just to be doubly sure that this name is still available for me to use. So depending on your country of residence, I'll go to my own country government approved business registration portal and then I'll run an availability check on this new name. So look at this one. Another company has used a very close variation of this name, so it might not be very safe for me to use. So I'll just go ahead and pick another one. Okay, this looks good. Again, I will return to CAC portal and run another availability search. And as you can see, nobody has ever used this name or any of its variations, so it's available for me to use. I'll go ahead, register it, and then I can start using this name to brand my business, both online and offline. It's just as easy as that. So if you got value from this video, please give it a like. And if you are a new visitor to this channel and you love to see more AI automation and content creation videos like this one, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when next I publish a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.